Hey Spy Ninjas! In the last video, I snuck into the control room and I saw Chad. He was stuck in the elevator, but then all of a sudden it went completely dark, so I have no idea what happened to him. And now I'm gonna meet up with Daniel because Daniel has access to all the security cameras. Hey Daniel!
Hey V, are you okay?
Barely. I mean, I don't know what's happening to Chad. Do you know what happened?
Yeah, I don't know what happened to Chad. I was watching one of the security cameras. At this angle right here, a Project Zorgo member walks into the secret doorway. Maybe that has to do with where Chad is right now. Look right here, right? So
Okay.
It's this weird room.
Okay.
And on the door it says Base of Operations. I zoomed in.
Yeah.
And you can see the combination that he does in the lock. Like it says 3482.
Okay. 3482. I'm definitely gonna go in there because I need to know what happened to Chad. I have an idea. I think I should just dress up as a Project Zorgo member. Tell me exactly how to get there.
It looks like it's still in the Luxor. It's like
Okay.
it's on floor 43. And you're gonna, so you go up the elevator, make a left, and it's the first door on the right.
Alright, so.
Good luck, V.
Alright,
You can do it.
Alright guys, I made it back to Project Zorgo's headquarters, and this is exactly where Daniel told me to go. Look at this. Right there, can you guys see? And on the door it says Base of Operations. Maybe Chad's in there. And I just noticed right here, it's kind of high up there, so I'm gonna try and grab it. I hope no one heard that. Jeez. Alright guys, I got the agenda right here. This one says monthly evaluations. Number 2, doomsday details. Another agenda says monthly update. Number 2, new member training. PZ 47? There's 47 Project Zorgo hackers members. Heck, they're growing so fast. I hope a bunch of them are undercover ninjas and you guys are spying for us. Oh, you know what? I have an idea. If the last agenda says that they're training in new PC-47, I think I'll add on to the new agenda and I'm gonna pretend I'm PC-48. So maybe I'll be the new recruit and then they can have a new training session for me. I have to get rid of my backpack somehow though, because they have CWC logos all over. They'll know right away. Just want to let you guys know I'm wearing my spy pen also because I'm going to be getting rid of this vlogging camera and I'm going to be recording for you guys with this right here. Okay, alright, I'm going to turn myself into a Project Zorgo member now. Alright, let's do this. Okay, here's the lock. Alright, look at this deadbolt. Daniel told me the combination. I think it's like 3482. So I'm going to try that. Alright guys, I got the lock open. Give this video a big thumbs up right now to give me good luck because I'm about to go inside this door. Here we go.
Who are you?
I'm PZ-48.
PZ-48? There's no PZ-48. There's no PZ-48.
I'm the new recruit.
Did you guys hear anything about a new recruit? No, I don't think so. That's not. No. Okay, well, you go check the board. Let's see. Do we not see that on the board? Okay, I'll go check, I guess. Okay. Yes. On the board.
Yeah, I'm the new recruit.
Come over this way, new recruit. Have a seat in the chair. I did not know we were allowing children into this organization. Yeah.
I'm a full adult. My growth spurt didn't hit quite right.
Where are your gloves? Yeah.
I have not received them yet.
That is unacceptable. Unacceptable. You hear me?
Yes.
Great. Okay. If you truly are the new recruit, you must pass the new recruit test.
Okay.
First test is recite the word nuclear using the PZ language.
PZ language. Is that like the symbols?
Yes, of course, yes. You should know this.
Yeah. Yes, well, this is training. I'm learning from you guys.
You should have already learned this before attending this meeting.
I know it. I can recite it now.
Okay, well, spit it out.
Okay. N equals down arrow.
Down arrow.
Okay, U, I think it equals hammer.
Hammer.
C equals, was it a nose? Was it an ear? Oh gosh,
Ear.
L, I think that was Marlin. Yeah, I think it was an hourglass.
Hourglass.
E, gosh, this one's tricky. Right or up?
Down, no, up. Right arrow.
A, oh I know this one. A is up.
Lock.
Gosh.
Triangle.
Triangle.
I don't even think we have a triangle.
Yeah, where'd you get that from, huh?
Project Zorgo always uses triangles to leave clues.
True, but it does not represent the letter R. You have failed the test. Evie, take her into the next room. Come
What's in the next room?
Get up.
on, stand up. Right this way.
I do not recognize you, new recruit. Who do we have here?
I am PZ48.
Come closer. Film him. Investigate him. For failing the test, you must now reveal your identity. Take your mask off.
A true Project Zorgo member never reveals their identity.
That is correct. Congratulations, you have passed the final test. Welcome to Project Zorgo. And remember, Project Zorgo is always watching. You may now leave.
Right this way. She passed the test. She did. Well done. Let's get this meeting started.
How's the Stephen Scherr going?
Stephen Scherr, it's going pretty well, I'd say, right? But it seems as though somebody else is taking care of Stephen Scherr. Somebody... Yeah, I noticed someone called the Game Master. We don't know what his deal is. A lot of people have accused us of working with him. Yeah. You know what? Since you're the new recruit, you should be taking notes. Yeah. I see you got a pen there. Why don't you use that pen to take some notes?
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa, wait a second. Wait a second. This pen looks strange.
It's a normal pen.
You should let me see this pen here. Yeah. This pen looks very strange to me. What is this little part right here?
It's just a normal pen. It's a fancy one.
Okay, I guess. Yeah. Wait a second. Let me open it up. Okay. I guess it looks fine. There you go. How about Chad Wild Clay? He almost made it all the way to the top here, up to our headquarters. I know. Can someone take care of him? He's locked up in Territory 74, so he shouldn't be a problem anymore.
We don't have any more slip-ups like last time, though.
Yeah, really.
BZ-23, we could have bought the toothbrush of V Queen, and we could have stolen her DNA as well.
Oh my gosh.
What? What is it?
Oh, you almost got V Quaint and Chadwell Clay's DNA?
Of course. BZ-23 almost got her toothbrush, but he got there too late. Yeah, we did get Chad Wild Clay's, but we were so close. Now we were able to frame Chad using his DNA. Now we got him in Territory 74, so he's taken care of. Yeah. He's not going to interfere with the Doomsday date any longer. Nope.
Sounds like a great plan.
Yeah, it is. We're smart. How is the experiment on Chad Wild Clay going? Oh, it's going very well, actually. Yeah, I just finalized the final version of the neurocontagion system. I would like to present it to you right now. Okay.
Let's do it.
Here it is. Final version of the neurocontagion system. Very nice. How does it work? So what we do is we harness the straps right here to the subject's temple. Then from there the subject will view a video. And then hopefully by that moment we have control of the subject's mind, convincing them to become a part of Project Zorgo. Yes.
Finally, Chadwell Clay will be on our side.
What? Yes?
Oh, where is Chadwell Clay right now? I know he's at Territory 74, but where is that again?
New recruits. Didn't you? I mean, we sent an email out to all the new members. You didn't see that?
I must not have gotten it.
As you should already know, Territory 74 is through the doorway, down the hallway to the right, and up a floor. That's right there. That's where he's being kept. He's not getting out anytime soon, so I say, so take us over there. And yes, we should hook him to this and see if we can get him today to switch to our side. Yeah. And so I'm gonna actually put this in the preparing station for now. Get everything ready. I'll be right back. All right. Yes, we tried this once in the past, but it didn't go according to plan. But this system has worked before, so it should work on Chadwell Clay.
Oh, do you guys have a bathroom here?
Bathroom.
I mean lavatory.
Oh, that's more like it. Yes, we do. Straight down that door, take a right. You'll see it.
Thank you.
Be quick now. We'll be waiting for you.
Alright guys, I'm actually not gonna go to the bathroom. I'm actually gonna go look for the preparation room. I'm gonna cut some of the wires that's on that machine because I don't want them to put that on Chad and convince him to join Project Zorgo. Okay guys, I think this is the room. Here it is. This is the machine that they were talking about. Okay, so there's all these cords here. So this. Okay, I think I'm just gonna cut some of these wires. There are red, green, black, and blue wires. I'm not quite sure which to cut, but I feel like if I just cut any of them, the whole machine will malfunction. So I'm gonna cut this green one. Alright guys, let's get out of here and go back to the meeting.
Yes, we definitely should touch on that. So, come back. Oh, all right, you're back. So we were just discussing the doomsday date. We were able to successfully solve the passcode. Yes. It was Clock Tower 2018. Thanks to all of our new recruits online. It is now activated. It's back into effect. We're going to take that on YouTube. November 3rd is the date. Be prepared for that.
Finally, YouTube will be destroyed forever.
Yep, YouTube will be totally gone. I mean, well, there is one thing that needs to be settled first. This package, actually. I didn't get a chance to drop it off yet. I gotta drop it off at the Joshua Tree
Right.
tomorrow.
PZ18, right?
PZ18, yes. Hopefully they're there, and they'll pick this up, and that's all we need. And the doomsday date. I'm gonna go do that right now, actually. Okay?
Oh, I can do that for you.
You can deliver this package for me?
Yes, I can deliver the package for you.
This is a big deal, PZ48. I don't know if you're a new member. I don't know if we should trust a new recruit. This is pretty important. Yes.
How do we know we could trust you?
I'll do anything. You can trust me.
Prove yourself, then. We're gonna have you delete another YouTuber's video.
I know how to do that. That's why Project Zorgo recruited me.
Here you go.
Let's have you log into Chad Wild Clay's account and delete one of his videos.
There. I deleted it.
Let's take a look here. Wow. Really good. Very good. Very impressive. Very fast, actually. I hated that video anyway. Glad it's gone. Can't wait for all of YouTube to be gone. PZ48, sure. If you can deliver this, I think we can trust you now. The Joshua Tree tomorrow for PZ18. Meeting adjourned. Meeting adjourned. All right. Let's get back to work.
That was super intense, but I'm back to where I started. Here's my backpack. I'm ready to get out of these Project Zorgo clothing and be my normal self again. But I'm super excited that I got this box from them. I think we can definitely stop the Doomsday Date with this box. Alright guys, I'm ready to go to Territory 74. That's where Chad is, and I need to go and save him. Make sure to click right here to check up on Chad. I don't know what's going on with him right now. Come back here and let me know where he is and if he's doing okay. Thank you so much to you all notification ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing your comments right here. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at vquaint. Subscribe to me and subscribe to Chad, and I will see you next time. Bye.